Hi, this is me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2. I'm waiting for that other video to load, and I thought, I made the man a little bit thicker than he was before. So let's try this. Let's make a duplicate of the whole thing. Control D. Now, there we go. You need to set your duplicate distance on 0, 0, and this is Y. So we're going to Control D this and move it over. And then I'm going to do it again. Control D and move it over. And we're going to see the difference. Now remember, we contoured it 0.02. So let's left click, right click. We contoured it to the outside 0.02. This time let's put it back to 0.02 to the inside. It made the man a little bit thinner, and maybe that's a better look. Now that you've done that, you don't have to break the contour apart. Just fill it in with black. And let's move it down. Let's move our original down. And this is probably not necessary, but it might be a better look. It's a little bit thick. Maybe this is a better look. So then all you have to do is take your face mask and move it to your new place. Now you see it's hidden. So while that's selected, go to Object, Order, Put to the front of the page. Let's make a copy of that. Control D and move it over. So you can see it, maybe this has a little bit more detail. And this kind of looks good with his glove, but on this one it looks a little sharp. So then you would want to use this, if you have 8x or above, and use the smoothing tool. We're going to make this 0.5 now. Grab that and just kind of smooth that hand out. And you could go through there and kind of fix him up a little bit. Now, if you do not have 8x and above, you can always use the shape tool, like take out those nodes. I actually like it looked the way it did, but like right there, you could remove that node, and just see what you like. So it's got a little bit different look. This guy looks a little more fit. It's all what you want to make of it. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.